Hello there, and congrats on getting your free copy of the Spending with Purpose Tracker. Let me go ahead and quickly show you how to use it. So, after you've downloaded the tracker, you should get an email that looks just like this one that I'm showing you here. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should be able to get this PDF right here, which shows you that you can also get the template, access to the template here. If you look right here, it says you need a free Google account because this is a Google Sheets product. If you try to use it with Yahoo or Outlook, it is not going to work. So make sure if you don't have a Google account that you're clicking here to get your free Google account before you can use this template. Also, now you can click on budget template to get started, but down here you have instructions as to how to use them. So right here it says click on file and click on make a copy. Let me show you what that looks like. So let's click here to get our free copy of the Spending with Purpose tracker. Once it opens up, so just take a couple of moments to go through the instructions right here and see what they are looking right? It says to make a copy. So we're going to click on file and click on make a copy. Right now, let's just pretend your name is Sandy. So you're going to name this Sandy's budget template or something, right? So Sandy's the budget template. And then you're going to click on make a copy. If you don't do this, the template is not going to work for you. So this step is very important. Now, once you get into the template, now it is yours to use as you see fit, right? As you can see right here, it says Sandy's budget template. This is how you know that whatever changes you make in here, Joe Schmo from down the street who also downloaded the template is not going to be making edits to your template. They're going to have to make a copy for themselves that is going to be housed on their Google account. So now that we've covered that, let's go over to the other tab, which is the 50, 30, 20 tab. Now, as you can see, everything has already been populated with examples. We're just going to go ahead and focus on this bottom section, and we're going to delete all these examples, right? That way we can truly own this budget template. Now that we've deleted it, if you take a gander, this is the income section, the needs section, the wants section, and over here we have the savings section. So now that the template has been deleted, you can put whatever you want in here. So let's pretend that your income is $2,000 and you have $100 side hustle, right? You can put that here and then populate it with whatever. So now let's start by dealing with your needs. So let's say maybe you spend $400 on groceries. You can put 400 here, 54. So you go ahead and populate it with whatever that you want to populate it with. And now the template is yours to use as you see fit, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how to use a template. Make sure that you're clicking on make a copy before you go ahead and use the template. Make your own copy. Thank you so much for tuning in and for getting the copy of the free Spending with Purpose tracker. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you out on your journey to financial freedom. Okay, thank you and have a great day.